parked on this road here called Church Road, near Horsey. I won't say Horsley, but it's Horsey, isn't it?
I Horsley.
Horsey. Looks like everybody's parking around here, aren't they, lot? I bet they're all locals, aren't they?
We could have parked down here, look. Public footpath only.
No overnight stops. Yeah, don't say that down there though.
No, it's just on here, isn't it?
I mean, all them cars will be gone. You could just park it outside that wall, couldn't you?
Mm.
Norfolk, 2 miles there, but so we'll go up here. Norfolk Coast Path. And that's Horsey Gap.
2 miles, could do that.
Yep, we could.
But no.
No, just go up here to beat. I'm nearly there. Are you dead?
Yeah.
Look at this sea. Cats over there, on chairs, even beach is immaculate. Sun's shining now, thank God. Had about 3 or 4 days of cloudy weather. But now the sun is shining. Sad part is we've got to go home tomorrow. Well, tomorrow night, Monday morning. It's Saturday today. Right, made his own game up. There's the start line. You've got 3 whatever you want stones, and there's a target. Try not to hit my camera. I'll put it this side, shall I? We'll go it with there. That should go too. We've seen a seal. We've spotted a seal. I need to get my phone out so I can zoom in. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get it. It's popped up for a few times, then it's gone. We're going to come back up later, about tea time, 6 o'clock-ish. Should be quiet on here then. Apparently they come out at that time of night. So we'll have to do that, won't we? Come back in a bit. I bought a vinyl record yesterday called The Sounds That Wasps Make. When I got it home and played it, I thought, this is not the sound that wasps make. And then I realised it was the B-side.
Nice.
We've just got back from beach. We're just having a quick cup of tea. Because you all know us. Always got time for a cup of tea. Beautiful.
B-E-A-beautiful.
So, like I didn't see any seals. I saw one, but I didn't get it on camera, did I?
No.
So we're going to wait till tea time, because apparently that's when they come out. So it's only 2:15 now.
Is that all?
Yeah.
That's late, isn't
No,
it?
2:15. We're just going to stop here till that. Stop here till 6, 7 o'clock. No matter, does it?
No.
And
I do
then
need something to eat though, 'cause I'm hungry.
yeah, we'll have some dinner soon. Grab some dinner. Shall I have bacon cobs?
I don't want to bake. I'm
What
going
don't
to
you
have
do?
that seafood cob.
A seafood cob.
Mm.
What seafood cob?
That thing that I've got in there, that filling.
Oh, I didn't know you were filling.
And you didn't want it, did you? You didn't like it.
Well, no. Not if it's seafood.
That.
Oh yeah, I see it. No need for that, was there? Right, bought some dinny donny ding dongs and I'll bring you back in a bit. Bye for now.
Where do you put cob?
You think you see something, don't you? And it's like, it's just a wave. It does my head in. There. Seal. There somewhere, it's got it. Keep looking there. I definitely just saw one there. Just there. Black one.
Yeah, there. Is that him?
Yeah.
No.
It says it's best when it's gone out. It says they've got more to do. Well, I've been looking for seals today,
I've seen two.
and we've seen a few, yeah. But no, I couldn't get on my camera very well. I'll try and get what I've got, but it's not fantastic, is it?
No.
Look at that sunset over there. That's good, isn't it?
It is. It's a walk up
Look
another.
at that. That sunset's nice, isn't it?
That looks nice, that pathway down there, look. Through sand.
Here, yeah, I know, I've just done that. Yeah, it does. Right, we're going back to the van now.
Well, it's a walk up to that church.
Up to church. Pathway there, look. You can go down. I think it's part of the coastal path, isn't it? We'll just come down this road and we'll just find this derelict church.
I don't know if it is or not.
Well, yeah, look, it's all boarded up here.
But it's tourists here, it's all overgrown.
Yeah, I know. Graveyard's a bit. Yeah, it's all padlocked up, look. I don't think this is used, is it? Aye.
Doesn't look like it, does
No,
it?
look at all that boarded up at top. Unless that's how they were anyway, I don't know. I don't know. It's overgrown, isn't it?
This is hanging, you could squeeze through that gap.
Good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's bank holiday Monday tomorrow. We're back here where these boats are again. This must be about, is it fifth night we've been here?
Yeah.
Not in a row, like, but over the past week or so.
Fourth, I think.
It's just so peaceful.
And the settings,
We had to park, it was full last night when we got here. They were quite like, oh, this was full here, we couldn't get in. So I had to park like this. I had to park across ways last night. That's fit pub, like them there. I'll give it 22 degrees today. So we're just debating what to do. We've got to be home tomorrow night. It's dead peaceful here, isn't it? Hey.
Aye?
It's dead peaceful here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, we're not sure whether to set off back halfway and stop, or go back to the beach today.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Back to the beach.
Eh?
Back to the beach.
Back to the beach. So then, that decision's been made. So we'll see you at the beach. So we didn't go to the beach. We just done about an hour and a half. We're in Kings Lynn now. So